Good morning, kiddos. Happy Wednesday. It's still March, which means it's still reading month. And although a lot of things had to be canceled, including school, I want to let you know that it is still time to read. And I'm hoping that you all are reading at home. I'm encouraging you to read at home, and I'm going to be reading along with you as well. I actually have a book here that I have been wanting to read for a very long time, and I just hadn't gotten the chance to read it. And so now I have all the time to do a lot of extra reading and reading for fun. So I'm excited about it. And I'm also excited to share some books with you. So I'm going to be trying to do a lot more read alouds with you all as well. And I actually have some friends here joining us today for our read aloud. And these characters here are from the Elephant and Piggy book series, and that is by Mo Willems. And today I'm going to be reading to you Pigs Make Me Sneeze, and it's the Elephant and Piggy book. And before we do that, before we dive into the book, I want to just give you guys a round of applause, first of all, because learning to read is hard work. And I mean, you guys got to figure out sounds, and you've been doing that. You've been figuring out those sounds. You've been decoding those sounds and blending them together to form words. You've been stringing those words together to help you form sentences. And then you've been reading, like, whether you know it or not. Like, you guys are awesome readers. And I want to talk to you today about a strategy that the Elephant and Piggy books really help with. And that strategy is called fluency. So some of you have heard that word. You've heard me say that word before. And I want you to know that fluent reading encompasses accuracy. So that means you are reading those words correctly. It also encompasses appropriate speed. So you're not reading like super slow. You're not reading way too fast. You're like reading with the right amount of speed, and also just the right amount of expression. So nobody wants to sound or hear someone reading like a robot, okay? So you don't want to just be reading like this. You want to have expression when needed, okay? And the right amount of expression as well. And so I think these books really, really help with that. And I'm just going to do a little preview really quickly here to show you one of the features in these books. They have speech bubbles. And so these speech bubbles help with the dialogue. And dialogue is what the character is saying. And so, for instance, we have Piggy right here, right? And Piggy's dialogue box or speech bubble is pink, which match his color. And so we see Elephant, and his speech bubble is gray, which also matches his color. And I think that's pretty cool because it helps you know like which character is saying what. And I like to give voices when I'm reading to the characters as well. So these books don't have a lot of words. There's some sight words, of course, and then there's some words that are easy to decode. So I think these books are perfect for you guys. And so we're going to dive into this book. Again, Pigs Make Me Sneeze is the title, and it's by Mo Willems. He's the author and the illustrator. Got our title page here. Please ignore the coloring. Gerald! What do you want to do today? I want yes. A what? A ball? A swim? A hat. Choo! Poor Piggy. Are you okay? Sniff. If you can see that, it says sniff, and that's an action word, which we call verbs. I do not know. Achoo! I cannot stop uh, choo! Piggy's catching it. Sneezing. Oh no! So I showed a lot of expression there because we have some uppercase letters and an exclamation mark at the end. What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Piggy is getting ready. Choo. So he did all that preparation, put on a little helmet and everything. And this time, Elephant does a soft, quiet sneeze. Goodbye, Gerald. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Choo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. Thud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. That's right, y'all, a cold. He doesn't have the coronavirus. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, great news. Have a cold. Good for you. Oh, what's wrong with Piggy now? And that's the end. So, I have a challenge for you guys. A couple challenges, actually. So, first and foremost, I challenge you to read. Read. And practice that fluency. If you have a book at home, especially if it's one of your favorite books, read it over and over and over and over and over and over. That is the best way to practice fluency and to become a more fluent reader. My second challenge, I would love if you all could spend some time today after hearing this read aloud and draw the main characters. I would love if you could draw the settings and write some sentences about the characters and the settings. Sound those words out. Remember, space, punctuation, all that good stuff. I also would love to hear what happened in the beginning of the story, what happened at the middle of the story, and what happened at the end of the story. So You can send me videos, you can send me drawings, pictures of your drawings, pictures of your writing. I would love to see it. Yeah, that would be really, really great. Remember, keep reading, keep reading. You're going to be hearing from me again really, really soon. I have some books here at home that I will be reading out loud to you. Enjoy the rest of your day. Happy Wednesday. And remember, be positive. I miss you guys and love you. Talk to you soon.